Hey there, this is Ira from Lemongrass Essentials. In this video, we'll explore lemongrass essential oil in exquisite detail from aromatherapy's perspective. I'll be sharing a variety of information, including tabular data, to give you a comprehensive understanding of the essential oil's profile. Don't worry if you need a moment to absorb all the micro-level details. I encourage you to pause the video at any time. So, without any further ado, let's begin with the general health benefits of lemongrass essential oil first. Lemongrass oil is cherished for its light and fresh scent, perfect for diffusing and creating a soothing ambience. Its astringent properties cleanse and purify oily skin, while toning and refining pores for a smoother complexion. It helps you get rid of blackheads, as lemongrass oil's antimicrobial and exfoliating qualities help diminish them, unveiling healthier skin. If you desire to reduce cellulite, lemongrass oil's stimulating effect on blood circulation and skin toning may assist in achieving a smoother texture. Lemongrass oil's anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties helps you combat wrinkles, fluid retention, sports injuries, and excessive perspiration. Add lemongrass oil as a versatile addition to your routine, enhancing both skincare and overall well-being naturally. Now, let's dive into the incredible therapeutic benefits of lemongrass oil. First up, we have pain relief. Thanks to its analgesic properties, lemongrass oil can be a soothing ally in relieving pain. Next, we can't forget its antimicrobial action. This oil is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting harmful microorganisms. With antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial properties, it puts up a strong defense against those pesky invaders. But that's not all. Lemongrass oil also has mood-boosting abilities. Acting as an antidepressant, it can lift your spirits and promote a sense of well-being. When it comes to inflammation, lemongrass oil is here to help. Its anti-inflammatory effects can provide relief and reduce inflammation throughout the body. And let's not overlook its antioxidant protection. By acting as an antioxidant, lemongrass oil safeguards our cells from damage caused by those naughty free radicals. Moving on to digestion, lemongrass oil offers its support as a digestive tonic. It can give your digestive system a boost, keeping things running smoothly and promoting healthy digestion. Last but certainly not least, lemongrass oil stimulates the immune system. Acting as an immunostimulant, it gives your immune system the nudge it needs to stay strong and ready to fight off any unwanted intruders. With these 7 remarkable benefits, it's no wonder lemongrass oil is highly regarded in the world of natural wellness. Now, let's explore the various ways to incorporate lemongrass essential oil into your daily routine and experience its wonderful benefits. If you intend to use this oil aromatically, you can diffuse 10 to 12 drops of the oil for 15-minute intervals throughout the day. This will create a pleasant and soothing atmosphere. Alternatively, you can inhale the oil directly as instructed by an aromatherapist or a medical professional. If you prefer to use lemongrass essential oil in a topical application, then you can add 2 to 4 drops of lemongrass oil to 1 tablespoon of a cream base or lotion. Gently massage this mixture onto the desired area to experience its benefits. If you're considering using lemongrass oil for therapeutic purposes, it's crucial to consult with a medical professional or aromatherapist beforehand, as they will provide guidance and advice tailored to your specific needs. Now, let's explore some fascinating details about lemongrass oil. Its botanical name is Cymbopogon flexuosus, and another popular variety is also known as Cymbopogon citratus. It thrives in the Asian subcontinent, including countries like India, Nepal, and also in Africa. The aroma profile of lemongrass oil is fresh, herbaceous, and lemony, creating a delightful sensory experience. The oil is extracted from partially dried leaves, grass, using steam distillation. In terms of its note or evaporation rate, lemongrass oil falls into the top-middle category, striking a balance between a quick burst of fragrance and a lasting presence. The main chemical constituents of lemongrass oil are citral, comprising 70 to 75%, and geraniol, making up 5 to 10%. From a botanical perspective, it belongs to the Poaceae, Gramineae family. Knowing these technical details about lemongrass oil helps us understand it better and also the science behind its captivating aroma and potential benefits. Lastly, let's discuss its compatibility with other oils, how to store it properly, and touch on safety considerations. When it comes to blending lemongrass oil with other essential oils in aromatherapy, it pairs well with quite a few. You can mix it with oils like palmarosa, cypress, black pepper, sweet basil, sweet birch, and rosemary. These combinations create interesting and harmonious aromatic experiences. Now, let's talk about storing lemongrass oil. To maintain its freshness and extend its shelf life, it's best to transfer oils from metal containers, often used for safe shipping, into dark glass containers for storage. This helps protect the oil from light and heat, preserving its potency and aromatic qualities. Lastly, we need to discuss some safety considerations for lemongrass essential oil. When using lemongrass oil, it is important to keep in mind several safety considerations. Lemongrass oil is generally non-toxic, but it may cause dermal irritation to individuals with sensitive skin, so a patch test is recommended before widespread use. It is not recommended to use undiluted lemongrass oil on children and the elderly. It is crucial to use the correct chemotype and verify the chemical composition of the oil to ensure its suitability for the desired application. Additionally, lemongrass oil should be avoided during pregnancy. By following these safety guidelines, you can enjoy the benefits of lemongrass oil while ensuring a safe and pleasant experience. For more information on the subject, feel free to visit our website at www.sanira.in. This is Ira signing off from Lemongrass Essentials. Enjoy your aromatic journey.